Every choice has a cost. Not choosing is still choosing. Staying safe costs your growth. Taking risks costs your comfort. Doing nothing costs your dreams. Life will take something from you, no matter what. Your time, your energy, your courage. You can't escape paying some kind of price, but you get to choose what you are paying for.
The degree to which your heart is closed corresponds directly with how broad your horizon is. That is, the amount of options you can envision in your decision-making before making a choice. The more closed your heart, the narrower your horizon, or the less amount of options you can envision. Options range and begin from primitive and selfish to enlightened and self-integrated, rather than selfless. You're not supposed to be selfless. Trauma is what closes the heart. It is less the bad event that happened to you or the negative action taken against you, and more the relational meaning behind said event or action. What relationship do you share with the person who abandoned or betrayed you with reference to his or her responsibility in terms of said relationship? Trauma is that failure to fulfill that responsibility accompanied by an unwillingness to account thereof.
I'm having a problem with the Department of Health, especially in Gauteng. I was working at Leratong Hospital. They treated me very bad in such a way that I even reached to the point whereby I had to resign because the environment was hectic. If ever I was allocated with the staff, no one was willing to cooperate and to work with me. If ever I was allocated with something, I have to do it by myself. In such a way that I end up used to do it by myself, but they were busy talking about my name, they're busy criticizing me, they're busy doing all funny things. Sister Rebecca, she one day, because she was keep on pushing me, keep on shouting me, keep on undermining me. She shouted me in front of the patient. She shouted me in front of the staff. She shouted me in front of the relatives. Then I asked her, what had happened? And she said she'd want to talk to me, and she was shouting me badly. Okay, I'll try to report that accordingly, but no one was willing to listen to me.
It is birthed primarily during the childhood development period, in the home, in the extended family, the local community, and at schools. From there we carry it out into society, into the greater world, into our relationships, our jobs, our organizations, and our politics. A fear of unfulfillment birthed by unfulfillment. This is what corruption is. What do you think drives greed, violence, a lack of emotional regulation, a failure to think and therefore plan long term, jealousy, witchcraft, parental and family member alienation, etc.? Insecurity, people, fear.
Kulum. Uba igama lakho, sona igama lakho la uthi uba igama lakho. Wakabani sibongo ubuye ekhempini sibilisha. Ubuyeleni? Awazi ubuyeleni? Ngikufice nje uthi awazi nje uthi ubuyeleni. Hey. Ngikufice phi? Kamfana. Awazi uthi ubuyeleni.
The survival mode demands short-term thinking, whereby the impact of our actions are disregarded, a mode now institutionalized by our patriarchal systems and economy, wherein the default manner of contribution is to compete rather than collaborate. The falling of South Africa, right in front of our eyes, is our misguided attempt at saving it using the same fear that motivates our destroying it. Fear is insecurity. And insecurity is addressed only through assurances, which can be provided only via accountability. Fundamentally, we are insecure about our closest people's willingness to fulfill their relational responsibilities to us. Only one question drives all human misbehavior, whose answer is that behavior. Do they have our best interests at heart?
I wish my mom listened to me more.
Real.
I also feel like she has an impact on me not being able to articulate myself.
Really, friend?
I do.
So you struggle with, if we're having conflict, to articulate yourself?
I cry.
When you have conflict, call me.
I cry. It literally. Like if we are arguing I'll just cry.
Call me.
My mom didn't allow me to speak. Like my mom would speak over me, and I struggle with that also in relationships. When my partner is trying to, tell me what to see, I don't like this, or even a friend or whatever.
Yeah.
But see, I don't, and I want to chime in. I want to, get a no, but
And
because
you get
my
stuck.
mom did not, and then I just cry. I struggle to say what I feel. I always bottle it
out.
I want to hug you.
raw.
Okay.
You see, when I explode, it's terrible.
Bad, no?
And now, because I can't articulate myself, kitty, fuck you, fuck, soon, what?
Yeah.
So I can't sit down with you and be like, dog, I don't like this. You did this because of. I can't. Go on, soon, go on, what? Like, it's just all the swear words in the book because my mom used to speak to me like that.
Solving this problem means answering this question. Answering this question means taking accountability and repairing relationships. First, in the whole. How? Refer to one of 2 pinned posts on my profile as your first step. Its title involves the syncretic reading. Your second step, follow my profile and watch as many posts thereon as possible. Third step, visit my website to buy my books. Watching the posts will inform you why these books are instrumental to further answering that question. This is how you take back your power.
Guys, one thing that irks me and aches me out about society is how we're so uncomfortable with being accountable. Like, accountability has gone out the window. We need to accept that the reality, the lives we're living are as a result of the decisions we made years ago. These are the consequences. You chose to neglect that child. The child is mad at you. They didn't want to speak to you. It was a choice. These are the consequences. You chose to party instead of studying for your degree. Consequence. You neglected that relationship because your friend said, or peer pressure, or whatever it is. And we need to be accountable. There's nothing shameful. It's actually a beautiful thing, because once you're accountable, you know where you went wrong, you pick yourself up and you do better. So if you don't like where you are today as a result of what you did in the past, I suggest strongly you start being accountable now to ensure that tomorrow is better.